In this question, we are going to solve integral dx over x to the power of half plus x to the power of 1 over 4. For cancel out in the denominator x fraction index, we can give a substitution. So we can substitute x as t to the power of 4. X equal t to the power of 4. When differentiation with respect to x, differentiation of x equal to 1, t to the power of 4 differentiation equal to 4t cube into dt over dx. Then we can substitute dx as 4t cube into dt. Then we can write integral 1 over x to the power of half plus x to the power of 1 over 4 dx. Instead of x value, we can substitute t to the power of 4. Instead of dx value, we can substitute 4t cube dt. Then we can simplify this integral. Then we can write integral 4t cube in the numerator. In the denominator, t squared plus t. We can get 4 as a constant. So we can write 4 integral t cube. Denominator, we can get t as a common factor. Then denominator equal t into t plus 1. Now t squared, for t squared term we can subtract minus 1 and we can add plus 1. Then t squared minus 1 we can factorize as t plus 1 into t minus 1. Then we can divide these terms separately. Now we can divide t plus 1 into t minus 1 term from t plus 1 and plus 1 term divided by t plus 1. We can cancel out t plus 1 term. Then we can write 4 integral t minus 1 plus 1 over t plus 1. We can get integration sign separately. Integral t dt, integral 1 dt plus integral 1 over t plus 1. Integral t is t in t to the power of 1. So we can integrate t as t squared over 2. Integral 1 equal t and integral 1 over t plus 1 we can write as ln denominator, or we can write as ln modulus t plus 1. We know x equal t to the power of 4. So t to the power of 4 equal to x. We can get 1 over 4 power both sides and we can write t as x to the power of 1 over 4. Now instead of t value we can substitute x to the power of 1 over 4. Then we can rewrite this answer as 4 within square bracket x to the power of 1 over 4 square divided by 2 minus x to the power of 1 over 4 plus ln modulus x to the power of 1 over 4 plus 1. So we can get final answer as 4 x to the power of half divided by 2 minus x to the power of 1 over 4 plus ln modulus x to the power of 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. Here c is an arbitrary constant.